Ice cream lovers, welcome to this edition of Scoop School. Thanks for joining us. We're broadcasting from the crossroads of the West here in St. Louis, Missouri. Well, a little bit west of St. Louis, Missouri in Wildwood. Anyway, that's beyond the point. You could be watching this video wherever you are in the world. We want to thank you. We get so many great comments from all over the world. People watch the videos. People have basically opened up their dream business based on these videos. We're more than happy to help you. Thank you. And we really are interested in where you're from. Maybe in this video, as well as general questions, throw a city, state, country down here. We'd love to be able to see it. Okay, we do want to thank our episode sponsor for this video, which is, again, Ice Cream Equipment Specialists. We're doing a whole series on this popsicle process because it's a growing trend. Everybody wants more information. So their link is down below. They can give you the machines, the molds, sticks, everything that you need in order to make popsicles. Thank you, Evan and the crew down there. Again, their link is down below. Okay, so we've had some questions about this sugar water base and how to really get the right balance of sugar and water when you're doing a base. It's the cheapest way of doing a popsicle or a sorbet base. It's also the most finicky because you need to make sure that your sugar and your water levels are very, very accurate. If you have too much sugar, sugar is an antifreeze, so your product actually won't freeze. It'll come out like slop. Too less sugar or too much water, and you'll basically be just making an icicle, an ice cube. So that balance between sugar and water will give you the sweetness, but also the pliability, the biteability, if you will, to your popsicle. So how do you do that? Well, you get one of these. So this is a portable refractometer. We've done a video on it before, years ago, but I feel it needs a little bit more detail. So you can buy these online. We'll put an Amazon link down below so you can buy them. They're a great tool in order to measure sugar in water or the sweetness of a particular liquid. And that's measured by what they call Brix, B-R-I-X, Brix. So what you end up doing is you basically put your solution here on this blue portion, drop the lid down, and look through the viewfinder, and it'll give you the percentage of sugar or Brix to water. So let's go and test it out. Okay, so I've got 2 quarts of water here. Let's start with a 1/4 cup. So a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can just use regular sucrose table sugar. Drop it in, just mix it up. Okay, so we've got 2 quarts of water. We've got a 1/4 cup of sugar. So we're going to put a little bit of that solution on here. Have a bit of a look. Army-arty. And we're around about 4%. What does that look like? We're going to give you a behind the scenes, into the looking glass view here. Okay, so what you got here is most of that screen is blue, and we're on 4%. Remember, we need to be at 25 to 30%. So we're going to put another 1/4 cup in. So now we've got 1/2 cup going in there. Oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, so that's our second 1/4 cup here. A little bit of look. And we're at about 7% this time. So we're going to ramp it up here and put 1 whole 1/2 cup in. We need to take this up to about 25 to 30%. So 1/2 cup. Okay, we've got 1 full cup now of sugar in 2 quarts of water. We'll dab a little bit on here, see where we're at. We're at 13%. 1 more full cup. So now I've got 2.5 cups of sugar here to my 2 quarts of water, and it's sitting us right on about 25 or 26 Brix. Let's you have a look here. I'm gonna rest it. Okay, you can see we've got about 25 to 26% there. That's at the lower end, but that's right in the threshold that we want. So, that's a quick look at a refractometer. I do think when you're starting to work with water-based products, particularly sugar and water-based products, you should have one. Again, the link's down below to this one. The range is 25 to about 30 to 32. The more sugar you get, the more pliable it'll be. The less sugar you get, it'll be a little bit more brittle or icy. Anyway, play around with it and use this as a knowledge base to start building on your water-based popsicle. Even you can run this through the batch freezer as well and make sorbets. Again, I would put a little bit of stabilizer in here, give it a bit more longevity and a bit more creaminess. And that will suit you well. Thanks again to Evan and the crew at Ice Cream Equipment Specialists. Any information you need about their product is on the link down below. Thanks for joining us in on this sugary episode. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.